y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, let's talk about it. Ashimary Hair sent me a full 13x6 frontal wig, and as y'all can see, it is so long and voluminous. I'm talking 32 inches of water wave. This is the perfect vacation hair, okay? So if you want to see how I slate this, then you better keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we got some real vacation here. Yup, we got some real vacation here. Any of my girls going on vacation anytime soon? We got a 32-inch water wave wig, and let me tell y'all something. Look at how long and how perfect the density is on this hair. It's not too big to where you're gonna be too hot, but it's not too like skimped to where you like I feel like I could throw it over my shoulder, and the hair is not fully wet. Mostly the top is wet, to be honest, because I just sprayed it. But this is kind of the hair semi-damp, I guess you could say that. And even if you throw it over your shoulder, I still don't feel like it's too much. So today we are doing a very simple, sleek, and sexy flip over slash versatile slash whatever you want to see, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to make it, no part wig, whatever. So if you want to see how I got this look, or how I just simply laid this girl down with this lace too, I know y'all see the lace, then keep watching. Y'all, so I don't know if I want to wear it in like a flip over method or like straight back. You know, I put the baby hairs. When I do styles like this, it's pretty much versatile, to be honest. Of course I can add a part, but I really do like it fun, and a part of me wanted to like just slick it back and just wet it down and have the baby hairs. But I don't know, honestly I think I just might change it to that. But for now we got the flip over method and we're looking good. So how are we feeling about this hair? Look how long this hair, I think this hair is like 32 inches. 32 inch, look how long this hair is. Love it, love it. And it's like, it's big, but it's not too big to where it's like overbearing, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think about this look. Let me know how y'all would style this look. Once again, I think I'm gonna just slick it back, to be honest, because I just like how it looks sometimes. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sending me this beautiful wig, y'all, and this lace was fire. I bleached the knots, and when I tell y'all, it bleached so good. Not to mention the knots were extremely small, and I love it here. Shout out to them for sending me this wig. And other than that, make sure you like this video. If you like this video, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.